Well, I'm back. Okay, so today I started a project yesterday on transplanting all these strawberries from the front. So I had them in the front, and now I'm transferring them to the back. And then I might end up transferring them back to the. Yeah, I'm one of those folks that well, I think I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna change that up. Yeah, I'm always looking to figure out how to do things what I think is more efficient. So I probably should have stuck these strawberries in the ground, in some water yesterday, but I didn't. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use these strawberries that were stuck in the water. And I'll stick these in the water. Let them soak up some juice. So those were in the water and those were not. Okay, so we were soaking for a few days and just bring them in there. Just like so. Grab my bucket of soil and pack it in. Just like that. Grab another strawberry. That's got a long root. That's a long one. I think I'll make that hole deeper. The further I can get them to go down, because the soil, once they get past these bricks, down further into the ground, the less likely they're going to dry out. So I like to get them way down there if I can. Get those roots starting way down there. Yeah. Way down in the ground. There you go. Just like that. So I'll be doing that all along here, like that. Getting all these things in here. I think I'll put some good soil towards the center and then bring the rest in. Okay. That's how I'm going to do it. That is how I'm going to do it. Just like that. And same thing. So I'm going to be doing this. Whoa. Keep that water in there. Stay in there. Right. So I'll be doing this all the way around. Like that. Just like that. Tidy it up a little bit. A little bit tardy, you know. Not tardy, tidy. A little bit. Okay. So I'll leave that one there. And I already got one over here. Oh, she didn't have any water. It didn't get any water. No water. Well, Nancy. Little girls, excuse me. Coming in your pathway there. So this one was left out overnight. Actually, I left a lot of them overnight. Just got busy, you know. Got busy and got other things going on, and I'm sure glad the sky didn't fall. Nothing bad happened. Leaving all these strawberries out all night with no water, just bare root just sitting there. But I've done that so many times, and if they can get a root going somewhere, find some moisture, that strawberry plant would survive. So all these strawberry plants, if there's still any life to them, when the roots dry out, they'll come back. I've had really good success with strawberry plants that I didn't water them. Just didn't get around to it, you know. And we doggone it, they look dead to me. Like any dead plant I've ever seen. I'll be doggone if they didn't come back. And gave me strawberries. Voila. Right? Things are not as gloomy as they seem sometimes. Sometimes the gloominess is in our own head. Right? Optimism. Right, so yeah, Gloominess is sometimes in our own head. Well, that's just not working out good. Get this. I need a hole, man. Give me a hole. Give me a hole. I just need a hole. That's all I need. Give me a hole, dude. Okay. Be nice. All right. Yeah, I served in the military. You might hear me say a few things. Hey, did that boy serve in the military or something? Because that sounds the kind of talk that I remember when I was in the military. Like, oh, he must have served. We just talk that camaraderie junk. Oh, I left that out overnight too. Well, I think I'll see how these ones I just stuck in this thing of water here are doing. Oh yeah, they're doing fine. So these are now ready. They got their roots saturated. That's what I needed. Got the roots saturated. Now I'm going to throw some dirt in it. Now, I don't know if you're one of those people that just like to watch people work. The more I dig this hole, the more it gets covered. like what? It's like getting nowhere fast. So, I don't know if you ever seen any of those videos of that landscaper. He goes out there and he just cleans yards. He just, simple stuff. Taking weeds out of here and taking weeds out of there. And the guy's just working. He's just doing work. And he got millions and millions of views. Just cleaning a yard. Well, I'm just planting strawberries. That's all I'm doing. I'm just planting strawberries. And some people find that relaxing to watch somebody hard at work. I do. When I'm just kind of chilling and I turn on the boob tube, if I come across somebody who's accomplishing tasks, getting things done, yeah, I can tune in. I'm good with that. Tune on in to the east side. I'm gonna bring you in because I'm moving right along here. I am just moving right along. I'm actually getting close to being done here. Kind of like those things go down a little deeper. A little bit deeper now. Oh yeah. I'm gonna run out of strawberries. I'm gonna run out of holes for the strawberries. I got so many strawberries. My goal is to have enough strawberries stored for the winter. Next winter, in baggies. Well, I don't use baggies anymore, but I bought a bunch of BP-free containers. And I'll be using BP-free containers in the future. In the past, I used Ziploc baggies, and I don't know. I like to get away from the plastics as much as I can. It's possible. It's possible. Things are happening every day. It's possible. Just really fast. Don't mess around, man. Those babies in the ground. Make them happy. And a spider made a web in one of my holes from yesterday. It made a web right inside the hole. It's like, what? And then when I get done, I'll come along here, give them some quick watering, call it a day. Day done. Done day. Hey. Pull up a little bit. Got some more in there. And there you go. Well, you kind of see the process here. Pretty simple. Nothing complicated. No fuss, no muss kind of thing. Oh, I ran out of strawberries? What? There's no way I can run out of strawberries. I got so many. I got more strawberries than there are stars in the universe. Talk about exaggeration. Now that is an exaggeration. A big one. Like huge, man. Like gigantic. Like monsters. You'd think I had my video on fast forwards. Sometimes. Oh, I had a strawberry plant in here. I had a strawberry plant, and now it's gone. Strawberry plant, missing in action. There's one. Two of them. So, and there you go. Just like that. So that's kind of it. I got a bunch more that I'm going to try to find a home for. Got a whole bunch more girls. I can call them girls. Strawberries, because they produce babies, right? So, yeah, there's a batch down there. Got a few holes left here and there, maybe. There's 2 holes there. Anyway, you kind of see it there. I got a few holes here left. So, anyway. So now I'm going to water these. Water them in. And it doesn't take long to just, I mean, I don't need to water them heavy, right? Just lightly water them in. If you please subscribe, thumbs up. It'll help this channel have value. Because if you don't subscribe and thumbs up on me, it doesn't have any value. The subscribes, YouTube only recognizes us when people subscribe. And so when people don't subscribe, we're kind of like a ghost to YouTube. YouTube kind of ghosts us, literally. Like, your content is not happening. So please subscribe. Give this channel some credit. YouTube will give me some credit. And I will keep bringing you videos of some very different, unique things. Everything I do out of my own artistic expression. And I'm always coming up with something new, something different, a new way to do this or a different way to do that, or because most of what I do for free. I don't buy anything. I pick stuff up and I go, oh, someday I might use that. And then the day comes. Someday will come. So there you go. You have a nice day. Please subscribe, thumbs up. And I hope life is treating you well. Bye now.